Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I am online. So guys, this is Varun and today I am going to review Xiaomi Redmi Y2. This is a recently launched phone. It's an amazing device which is having a good screen quality and packed out with lots of different features. So let's unbox this product and see what we get. So guys, we get 16 megapixel artificial camera, front camera, 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera, 5.99 inch screen, Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor. This is the dark grey color variant with 3 GB and 32 GB storage. This is made in India. Let's unbox this and see what we get inside. So guys, the first thing we get is the Redmi Y2. Let's keep this aside and let's see what we get inside. Let's see what we get in the box. So this is, I guess there is a cover inside because this is a bit thick. Yes, there is a cover inside. Xiaomi is giving a cover along with the phone. These are some paperwork, warranty card, instruction manual. You can see, you can read it. Let's keep this aside. Let's see how the cover we get inside. Let's open this. Yeah, so this is a transparent PU case, silicon cover, black cover. So guys, we are having the charging dock and the charging cable. The charging cable is a bit short in length and it's black in color, made up of good quality material. This is the micro USB cable. This is the charging dock. Let's see what we get inside. I guess there is nothing, so let's move on. We don't get the earphones along with the phone. We have to purchase from the Xiaomi store or from the Xiaomi website if you need the earphones along with it. There's the two cameras in the rear, dual cameras, the fingerprint sensor. This is the 5.9 inch screen. One is the microphone, one is the speaker, and the micro USB port for charging for the phone. Over here we get the SIM ejector tray, SIM ejection tray, SIM tray. Over here we get the volume rockers and the power button. On top of the phone we get the 3.5mm jack. This is the fingerprint sensor. It is quite fast, I must say. The phone looks extensively well in this dark grey color with the black on top. Let's eject this SIM and let's see we get dual SIM with SD card or just an hybrid phone. Let's bring this out. So we get the SD card and dual SIM port, which is a really good move by Xiaomi. I totally prefer this because if you want to increase the storage, you can increase this till to 256 GB. This is really good. Let's switch on this phone. Let's peel this out. Let's peel this top out. So yeah, here's the MI logo, mi.com. Powered by Android Oreo 8.1. The phone looks extensive well. The build quality is amazing and it looks like a really tough phone. It's very sleek. So this is the display of the phone. It looks quite amazing. The infinity display screen, 18:9 aspect ratio. Let's see in the settings what are the locks we get and the lock apps. So here we get the app lock option, along with that the face detection and fingerprint scanner. It runs on the Android 8.1 Oreo. These are the system apps and we can install the other apps. So there is a different head for it. You can give a feedback to Xiaomi filling the form. Let's see the camera quality, how it is, and let's click some pictures to get the portrait mode or the bokeh mode. In the bokeh mode, Let's see how the portrait mode works. I'll add some pictures which I click. You can check out these. The quality is really good, the colors are really splashing, and the clarity is amazing. The bokeh effect, you can see it's really good. You can pause the video and you can see it clearly. The bokeh is working extensively well, and when you tap to focus, the bokeh automatically comes into the picture, or the portrait mode comes into the action. Let's keep this aside and let's see how the phone is. So overall the phone is good. The display is 720p. It's good, bright colors are appealing to the eyes. There is no dull finish into the display. It looks really good on this. Let's keep this. A big thumbs up for this product, as Xiaomi has made a really good decision in making this phone dual SIM. The charger is, I guess, 2 amperes. Yeah, the charger is 2 amperes and it does not support fast charging. You don't get the earphones along with the phone. You have to purchase it. The micro USB cable is really short. There is no Type-C. I don't know when these companies will indulge Type-C in mid-range phones. So this is the overall Redmi Y2. A big thumbs up for this. Hope you like this video. This is Varun Lilani signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.